Hey everyone, Happy New Year. I hope you're all well. I wish you all the best of health, growth, and happiness this year. 2020 was a really tough year, and 2021 is already a little shaky, but I'm sure we'll get through this, all right? It takes a little perseverance, some hard work, some patience, some courage, and some hope. So first, I just want to thank everyone for the unbelievable and just beautiful show of support. It meant so much during a really troubling time. That situation, unfortunately, has still not been resolved. And believe me, I've tried. All right. But in situations like this, like all of the situations, it takes two. And as for the pen and shading course, I'm at the finishing stages. I know I've been there for a while. But editing really takes a long time. And the thing is, in addition to the challenge of working around my full-time job, I'm a true perfectionist, so I really struggle with just accepting that things are good enough. Like it's okay to move on, but don't worry, guys, it's coming. And I have to say, like, with regards to my books, Penning Shading a Simple Guide and the complimentary workbook, I'm just so grateful for the support from each and every single one of you who has grabbed a copy. And for those of you who have like taken the time to leave reviews on Amazon, guys, that means so much to me because it really helps, to share the word and to really boost the presence out there. I really appreciate it. Thanks so much for taking the time to do that. I plan on doing more videos based on the exercises and concepts from both of the books. So that way I can give some insight into some of the exercises and some of the concepts and also just, building on your understanding of what's already in there. And I'm excited to let you guys know that I'm working on my third book as well. Now, this book is really special to me, and I'll be sharing more information about it, as the year goes on. So keep an eye out for that. Now, of course, the goal is to continue being as active as I possibly can on YouTube, as challenging as it is with time. To continue some of the tutorial series I know you guys really enjoy, like the portrait series, urban sketching series, just the texture series, watercolor, and so on. I've had to incorporate like the 1 minute quick tip videos so I can really share some valuable information and tips and still be able to cover a variety of topics at the same time. But that doesn't mean, the end of longer tutorial videos, all right? And I do want to start doing Q&A and live videos as well. So feel free to share some questions and topics you want me to address. Perhaps we could, draw together or something like that. I'm really looking forward to it. So, thanks so much again for watching. Remember to like the video, subscribe if you haven't. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one. All right? Take care.